That is up next on the D.L. Hughley Show.
Playing music.
Like my music. Music non-violent with limited cussing.
Just another reason to listen to the D.L. Hughley Show. Are you drowning in IRS tax debt?
I owe the IRS $37,000.
Get ready for a toll-free hotline. Take advantage of new IRS tax forgiveness programs that may protect you from IRS collection agents.
Two guys who made it already. Now this guy is about to try it, so I'm videotaping this. If you do it wrong, he's gonna fuck up. But it looks like everybody is coming around on the freeway. On this side over here too. So now you got cars going back the opposite direction. This dude, he went in the middle. Wrong spot. Bad idea. Oh God. Wipe out. He stuck. He fucked up. Tried to go right here. He should have did like the other place. His ass into a glitch. God. Where's your football? Meanwhile, you got all these cars up here that to turn around and going back up the opposite direction of the freeway. This is on I-40 West in Tennessee. We got traffic going back the opposite direction. And you got this dude over here